Hello, welcome back to my channel. I was in Lidl and seen one of these, $14.99 for a garden tool set. 9-piece set, one hoe and cultivator, one trowel, one small rake, one weed remover, one pair of gloves, just one size, and claws on the right glove ideal for grubbing, one reel of wire ties 20 metre long, and one spray bottle 250ml. A comprehensive set for gardening in your garden, balcony or patio. $14.99. It also has a practical storage bag with 10 outside pockets. Let's get into this, let's have a look. Stanley knife to put the seal. Right, first off, gloves. Do they fit me? Let's have a little dingle off. Not too bad. Only thing is though, they don't come off. That can be a bit tricky, but feel decent quality. Shift this box out of the way for a minute. Let's move you down so you can see me. Right, so these are the gloves. Hard plastic, ideal for, like say, cultivating, maybe weeds. But I don't think they're going to be any good for anything else. So, half decent quality. Weed remover, got a protective cover on it because it's not sharp, it's pretty blunt to be honest. Yeah, not sharp. Quality, not too bad. Can't actually bend it, so not a bad start. I'd say a little spray bottle, 250ml, sorry. Little trowel, once again, decent quality. Handle, it's not too bad, pretty comfortable. Little rake. It's a little bit flexible, but then again, can't really complain for the money. Once again, pretty strong handle, pretty strong weight joint here as well. Now, a little cultivator. Once again, pretty thick steel. Not bad. Now you got your cultivator and the hoe. So this is the hoe and cultivator one. This one's slightly different because these ones are straight, these ones are offset. Once again, not bad quality. Get a little garden twine, steel in the middle, little cutter so you can cut it off. Now the back. So the bag, pretty decent quality to be honest. So you can put your spray bottle in there. And it's got all the little pockets for your tools. It's got some around the back as well. Got a little bag here, so your little wire could go in there. And maybe your gloves. No, they'd probably fall out, to be honest. Gloves would probably go better in this front pocket, so it's actually deeper. So you can carry some decent stuff around with that. And just bring it back up again so you can actually see. Right, that's your bag. Not bad at all, really. For $14.99, even if you only get 12 months out of it, it's not too bad. For your average gardener, this will do. It'll probably last a couple of years by the strength and by the feel of it. If you're using it a lot, maybe on an allotment, it might not last as long. But like I say, they are good quality. Not too bad at all. I think they've still got them in actual some of the Lidl shops. Go around, you might find some. Right, this is just a review. I'm not sponsored by Lidl. Basically, it's not advertising for them as such. It's just what I found. If I find a little bargain and I think the quality is okay, I'll actually tell people. So, once again, thanks for watching my channel. Give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down. If you want to see more of my adventures going along, especially with the allotment now that I've got, hit the notification bell, subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you all again.